In this video, we're connecting the 5 key developments that show this shift in action. Let's break down the new rulebook for the global energy sector. Our first story is a major development for European energy security here in the Baltic Sea. The exploration company SEP has announced a significant oil and gas discovery off the coast of Poland with a potential of over 400 million barrels. This is a game changer for years. Poland and its neighbors have been working to diversify their energy supplies. This discovery offers a powerful new domestic source. It's a powerful reminder that conventional resources remain a key part of the energy security equation. This is our first critical insight. Geology and domestic resources are re-emerging as crucial factors in the global energy strategy. While new resources are being found, a major corporate contest for existing assets has just concluded. This story involves two of America's largest energy companies, Chevron and ExxonMobil. At the center of it was a 30% stake in Guyana's incredibly productive Stabroek block, holding over 11 billion barrels of oil. Chevron moved to acquire Hess Corporation for $53 billion to gain the stake. The deal was subject to a closely watched arbitration process. That process has now concluded with a favorable ruling for Chevron, allowing them to finalize the acquisition. This is a company-defining moment for Chevron, securing a premier, world-class asset for its portfolio for decades to come. This brings us to our second insight. Leading companies are strategically focusing on acquiring high-quality, top-tier energy assets beyond individual company moves. Let's look at the strategy of a major producer group, OPEC. OPEC is currently executing a highly calculated market strategy. While headlines often focus on production cuts, the group is now methodically adjusting its output. By carefully managing the supply flowing into the global market, the group can influence its overall market share. This approach creates a challenging economic environment for producers with higher operational costs. It's a patient, long-term approach to market management. This is our third insight. Major producer groups are using sophisticated strategies to reshape market dynamics and reinforce their position in the global supply chain. This competitive environment is also driving change among the engineering and service companies that build the world's energy projects. This brings us to our fourth story, the formation of a new industry leader. Two of the biggest offshore contractors, Saipem and Subsea 7, are merging to create Saipem 7. The scale of this new entity is immense. Their business focus is key. This new company is positioned to be a leader across the entire offshore energy spectrum, from traditional projects to renewables and new energy technologies. This is our fourth insight. Consolidation is creating integrated service providers built to handle the complexity of the future energy mix. But as some companies merge to cover all bases, another is making a significant strategic pivot. This may be one of the most revealing trends of all. BP, a company that has been a vocal champion of the energy transition, has just sold its U.S. onshore wind business. This is a clear and decisive strategic shift. Why? It has a business decision based on financial performance and a move to refocus on their core operations. It highlights a challenge between long-term renewable goals and short-term financial returns. This isn't just about BP. It's a trend we're seeing across the sector. This is our fifth insight. Companies are making a critical reassessment of their energy portfolios, leading to a major recalibration of strategy. So, let's connect these 5 developments. A major European discovery, a landmark corporate acquisition, a new producer strategy, a mega merger in the service sector, and a strategic pivot away from renewables by a major player. What does it all point to? We are in a period of the great energy recalibration. The conversation is shifting from purely aspiration to one that includes performance, profitability, and practicality. Practicality means geology is a key factor. Profitability means a focus on high-performing assets. Performance means sophisticated strategies are reshaping markets, and the entire landscape is forcing companies to choose their path and consolidate their strengths. The winners in this new environment will be the pragmatists and the strategists. To better understand the forces shaping our world, it's essential to follow these trends closely. If you found this analysis helpful and want to stay informed on the dynamics of the global economy, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. What do you think is the most important trend we covered? I'd be interested to read your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next briefing.